Hi, this is Susie. Today we're going to be talking about a Dieffenbachia plant, also known as the dumb cane plant. And I also wanted to show you my waterfall. Nice trickling sound of water. It's a table waterfall. And it also puts moisture in the air for the plants, which I like. I'll probably get another one of these. I enjoy this. I'll put a link below if you want to check it out. It's on Amazon. Very pretty, relaxing sound. This plant prefers diffuse sunlight or partial shade, but will tolerate full shade, which is why it's well suited for a house plant. I prefer to give it extra light because the extra light will give it, make it grow better, give it extra growth. So you can put it, filter sun, or just make sure you have some lights on it. It thrives in temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees. Also, keep this plant away from small children and animals. It can be toxic. It has like a creamy white liquid in the stems, like if you cut it or something. You don't want to get that. Some people are allergic to it on your skin, and it can be very harmful if swallowed. Irritate your throat. And your Dieffenbachia should be watered when soil is dry between waterings. It can be planted in any good quality potting soil. I prefer Miracle-Gro. It has a time-released fertilizer in it. I repotted this a few days ago. Does like high humidity to encourage even growth. Turn your plant often, which I'll talk about later in the video. It can also be grown outdoors in a shady location, but must be protected from the cold. Okay. Propagation. You can propagate by cutting the tips from the top of the plant or look for shoots coming from the main stem. So there could be shoots like down in here. Let's see if I can focus this. Down in here, some shoots you can cut off, or at the top. I'm going to wait till mine gets taller. A lot of people have them real tall and they just cut down inside here and make sure there's some leaves on it and everything. If you want extra plants, place in water, change water every few days or so. Don't put it in full sunlight. Keep it in a bright, warm spot. Wash your hands after handling the plant, or you use some gloves. I prefer to use gloves. Probably rubber gloves, plastic gloves or something. Be safe. Now, leaf problems. If your leaves are droopy leaves can be caused by too little water. When the soil surface is dry to the touch, water your plant well. Water again when the soil surface becomes dry. And I have this 3-way meter. It tells you, let's see how moist it is or dry. And other things, it also tells you how much light is on it and how much it needs. And this is wet because I just repotted this plant. And when you take it out, Make sure you clean it well before you use it again. Water again when the soil surface becomes dry. If the leaves droop and fall without yellowing first, your plant may be too cold. Move your plant to an area where the temperature will not fall below 60 degrees. The lowest leaves on the bottom of your plant may turn yellow and droop as part of the plant's normal growth cycle. Just remove the leaves. That's part of the upkeep of this. So down below, if they start turning yellow or something, just pull. You can just cut them off or pull them off in the bottom there. If your plant leaves have brown tips can be caused by uneven watering. Keep your watering a little more regular. Never let your plant sit in water. If leaves are curled with brown edges, could be caused by too much fertilizer. Flush away salts and fertilizer with clean water. So I would just take it outside or in the sink and let the water flush through. Let it drain through the bottom well. Growth issues, as I said before, if your plant stretches towards a light source to even the growth, just turn your pot every day towards your light, or every few days, to encourage it to stay straight and not stretch out towards different areas of light. Now we get to pests. Cottony masses on your plant undersides of leaves and stems. That is the presence of mealybugs. So under here, if you see that white cottony mass under there, just take a cotton swab or a cloth, put the alcohol on it, and rub them off real well. Just keep them clean. Pale leaves and webby material on the leaf undersides means spider mites may be the cause. First thing you should do is isolate the plant, take it outside, give it a good spray with the hose, and you can use an organic spray or neem oil. You can also do the same thing with your outdoor plants. I usually clean them good with the hose, give them a good drenching. So if you wanted to look up the meter I have here, I'll put a link below for the meter and also for a tabletop waterfall. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.